guys, Tommy here from Green Rhino. This video right here is on my new toy. Actually, it's an addition to my truck mount. And let me flip this around. It's the Pro Aqua. This is a portable water softener. So basically, I think the total of this unit here is $250, around $250. You can get this right off Amazon. Actually, you can get this right off the link below this video, or go to the tools that I use in that link, and it'll be in there too for future reference. But so yeah, $250 for this. I'm just gonna throw this in here. It's small enough to where I can fit it in my right next to my truck mount, behind my chemical feed. And yeah, so what this is gonna do for me, for guys that are truck mount guys, or even if you're a VLM or a portable guy, okay, you can hook this up to the solution hose, and as you're filling up your portable, you can go out, instead of filling it up with the garden hose, you can connect it to the garden hose and use soft water. So it's gonna make your carpet a lot softer, and some say better clean. So I don't know, I've never had a softener in my truck mount or used it in carpet cleaning. Usually I've seen big units in vans, and took up a lot of space. So I thought, I got so many tools and stuff in there, I don't have the space to bear. But this right here, I think is going to be a good tool. So basically, if you got a truck mount guy, right, and you're using hard water all the time, you get calcium buildup. It's hard on your machine. If you got a heat exchanger, it helps with that that buildup. It means your heat exchangers you're gonna have to clean it less often, maintain heat better. These parts right here are things that I have to pull out them often to check the part in my boxer here. Let me go on here. So if you got a boxer 421, I'm not sure, this is the only truck mount I've ever owned, but you gotta take these plugs out from time to time and check, make sure those holes are not plugged back there. But what I did notice is, if I wait too long, these will be all calcified. Okay, so with the water softener, I'm not gonna have to worry about that. So if you do have a boxer 421 or a truck mount unit that you have to pull these out and check, and you notice calcified, a trick to this is just get some white vinegar, fill it up in a cup, about to the depth of the screen. Just drop them both in the, let's see, just drop them both in the cup or bowl, whatever. Let them sit there for overnight. You'll come out and they'll be totally clean. So this is starting to get some. I might go ahead, before I put these back in, and do that for these. So yeah, for now on, I'm not gonna have to worry about that. I'm gonna fit that thing right in here. Okay, right behind there. And then I'm gonna connect it directly to that. Well, I gotta figure out the plumbing on that, but I think I have all the accessories, because they sent a lot of accessories come with the unit itself. So yeah, a bunch of different adapters here. Just gonna put that over here. Bunch of different adapters. You got male, female. You got female, female. You got to use this when you actually get the unit to flush it out. So you take that one there and you hook it onto your out. You hook your garden hose onto that thing, and then you turn it on for 5 minutes, and it'll flush out all the resin and stuff like that, so that gets it ready for installation. And then there's a regen unit I got coming on the way. I missed the UPS on that, or the USPS. Should be come today or Monday. So after 2,000 gallons of water, you got to regen it. So you just hook up this. Let me see. Oh yeah, here we go. That part right there. That's what I'm waiting to come in. Okay, and you hook that in there, and you run that, and I guess you get like just a little bit of water that comes out, and you run that for like 30 minutes. All right, and then it regens it, so you're good again for another 2,000 gallons of water. So for me, I was doing the math. 2,000 gallons of water is probably gonna, for me, I'll probably have to do it once every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the month. You know. So 30 minutes out of every 2 to 3 weeks is nothing. So yeah, so it's not a big ordeal, which is good, because I like everything simple. As you notice, everything's simple with me. I don't like too much complex stuff. I want simplicity, but effective. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the van, install it, and then I'll show you the installation or the finish after installation. Stay tuned. All right, so yeah, it took me about 20 minutes. Very easy, just figuring out what adapters to use and everything like that. So this is how I got it hooked up. So my water hose hookup that goes to the home, it's going to go right to here. And what's nice is there's a quick connect on it. There's an adapter here and a quick connect you can attach to the end of your hose, which I love it. Yeah, so I keep my hose here. I'll just run it out, go ahead and plug it in, boom, ready to go. And then you can turn off it's got one of these you can add to it too, so you can turn it off. That way you don't have water leaking out once you disconnect too much of it. And then the other side is where I connected my water line to the machine. And then what I'll do, well, let's see, maybe to avoid any kind of, let me check. Look, in action, you see me troubleshoot. All right. Yeah, I think I'm good, but what I may do is, at the beginning or at the end of every job, just disconnect this, let it hang, and then one-handed, of course. So all I have to do with this is just connect that, and then connect that, ready to go. So nothing extra. It's barely taking up any room. All I had was a pump-up sprayer right there, an extra one. So yeah, I love it. Can't wait to use it, knowing that I'm doing good for my machine. Plus I'm gonna get a softer carpet and I guess a better clean, some say. So $250, guys, and then if you get the regen kit, which is like $40, so it's about $300, and you got yourself soft water. And that's just another thing that you can tell your customers, that you use soft water on their carpets. And that's just an addition, all the little things we do is corner guards. We use floor mats. We pre-vacuum. We agitate with our machines. The customers are seeing all of this, and they're seeing other guys just going in there, running in some hoses, and they're out of there in 20 minutes. So if you're gonna charge the prices that you need to be charging, hitting the neighborhoods, you'll be getting the customers with middle upper class neighborhoods. It's where you're gonna find people that have no problem paying you the money you need, because you do all these extra things. I mean, why do you go to a 5-star restaurant, and pay so much, really, for the experience, right? Yeah, the food's great. The food better be great for that type of money. But the experience, the customer service, the ambiance, the environment, just everything, And so with carpet cleaning, or any business, I believe if you go over and beyond, and on top of that, you're leaving them with excellent results. You know, they're gonna have no problem paying you, and they're gonna call you again. So soft water is my new addition. So yeah, now I can say it, because I've been asked a few times whether I use soft water or not, and I have hooked up to their soft water when I had the opportunity. And I really didn't educate myself too much on it, but yeah, if you're owning a truck mount, soft water is mandatory. And don't worry about it, guys. You don't have to spend thousands to get that, and you don't have to take up a bunch of room, because you can tell. I mean, I cramp everything in here. Right now, it's cluttery to me, so I gotta go in here and do some more organization. Can't wait to one day get a ProMaster or something. But I hate clutter, and so that fits right down my lane. So all right, guys, that's it. You know, I'm sure you'll see me use it. I'll let you know what I think about the carpets, using that soft water. Well, I already know it does leave your carpets a lot cleaner. You don't leave that deposit that's in the water lines in the home, the hard water. So it's just like if you have soft water in your home and you're taking a shower, you know how soft your skin is. You don't even need to use lotion anymore, you know. So that's pretty much the outcome with carpet. And you don't have to use such aggressive solutions to leave the carpet softer. So they add, you know, different solutions and stuff like that. Well, you got the water that does that for you, so you can just focus on the cleaning agents, and that's it. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.